millennial has less than $1,000 in savings. Are you tired of feeling like you are always working but never getting ahead? Do you dream of having a life where you can work less and earn more? According to Magnify Money Research and a Forbes article based on that research, millennials own just 6.6% of the nation's wealth last year in USA. By the way, millennials are people who were born between 1981 and 1996. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the best passive income ideas for millennials. Passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it. This means you can generate income while you are sleeping, traveling, or enjoying your free time. There are many different ways to generate passive income, but some of the most popular methods include investing in dividend stocks, creating and selling online courses, building a YouTube channel with ad revenue, writing and selling ebooks, and peer-to-peer lending. Let us start with investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. Dividend stocks are a great way to generate passive income because they provide a steady stream of income that can grow over time. Here are some tips for selecting dividend stocks. Focus on companies with a history of dividend payment like the Coca-Cola Company, Colgate-Palmolive Company, Johnson & Johnson, Walmart, etc. Choose companies with strong financial performance. All stock market registered companies release reports yearly about their financial situation and their future plans, strategies, etc. With a little research, you can find this information online. Diversify your investments by investing in companies from different industries. Don't stick to one company or industry. The best investing profitable profiles are the diverse ones. Please note that you need to do your own research about the company which you want to invest in, and most importantly about the platform that you want to use for investing. I'd prefer to do it through a trustful bank even if they have pricey fees. Please try to avoid platforms operating from countries with low business ethics. Now let's move to the idea number 2, creating and selling online courses. E-learning is on the rise and there is a growing demand for online courses, especially after Corona time. It's like the norm to learn online now. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses to share your knowledge with others. Here are some tips for creating and selling online courses. Identify a profitable niche for your course, like teaching programming skills, music, or languages. Develop a compelling course curriculum. You need to invest time in the curriculum to make it a quality, valuable course that people can rely on to learn and invest time and money in it. Choose a platform for creating and selling your course, such as Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Or create your own platform if you have the money, time, and the resources. Please bear in mind that a successful course needs to be well prepared and delivered in terms of audio and visuals. Teaching is a skill like any other skill. We are not born teachers, so you need to consider taking some courses or reading books about teaching. When I was at university, I had teaching methods course, which helped me at the time when I was working as a teacher. Now let's move to the idea number 3. Building a YouTube channel with ad revenue. YouTube is a powerful platform for generating passive income through ad revenue, although it's getting tough and hard due to the amount of content uploaded daily on YouTube. And you need 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel before you can apply. But it's still a valid and a good way to earn money. If you can create engaging content and build a loyal subscriber base, you can earn money from ads that are displayed on your video. Here are some tips for growing a YouTube channel and monetizing it through ads. Create high quality videos in terms of visuals and content that people want to watch. Use ChatGPT and Google Bard to help you in content creation. Both can help you in proofreading, brainstorming, and even scripting the videos. Optimizing your videos for search engines so that people can find them easily. Develop a process to create your content to make it easy and enjoyable. Promote your videos on social media and other channels. Even using paid promotion can help your channel to grow in no time. And YouTube offers now a very good promotion platform. It's still in beta mode, but it's doing a great job. Now let's move to the fourth idea, writing and selling ebooks. Ebooks are becoming increasingly popular, and there is a growing market for self-published books. If you have a passion for writing, you can write and sell ebooks to generate passive income. Here are some tips for writing and selling ebooks. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and that you have expertise in. Write a high quality ebook that is well edited and easy to read. Market and promote your ebook to reach a wider audience. Last but not least, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a way to earn passive income by lending money to other individuals. Peer-to-peer lending platforms such as Lending Club and Prosper allow you to invest in loans to individuals and businesses. Here are some tips for peer-to-peer lending. Diversify your investments by lending to a variety of borrowers. Do your research and choose borrowers with a good credit history. Be prepared to accept some risk. Finally, I hope this video has given you some ideas for generating passive income. Remember, passive income doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful passive income stream. It can be a great way to achieve financial freedom. If you want to learn more about passive income, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I have added in the video description some links that can help you.